Welcome back to Bustup Stonkers. In this episode, my mate Tom and myself travel to Lake Baroon in order to catch the one and only Australian bass. We catch species that I had no idea would be lurking in the murky fresh water below our kayak.
Bro, I was on.
Oh, nice! That could have been an absolute stonker. Okay. Grass. It's really good eating. I'm sure some vegetarians would love this. Why are there pelicans here? So much seaweed. It's freaking everywhere. Here we go. We're looking for Australian bass here with Toz. Tom's had some bites.
We began fishing with spinnerbait lures in and around the dead trees, because I was told that this is where Australian bass hide for safety before they pounce on their prey. But with little luck here, we moved on.
A few yanks, but no luck yet. No big ons with the Aussie bass. So we're just gonna go into shore and we're gonna fish off this rock here. That way we'll have a better casting ability and we'll be able to get some stonkers, okay? This is a better spot for the stonkers. Okay, I'm just gonna get down on this rock. This one. Look at this. This is insane. Rocks everywhere. Snags everywhere. Snag central. Here we go.
And I was right, it was snag central. So we got back on our kayaks after a bit, and we moved away. And that's when we got seriously lucky.
Oh! Let's go, Tozza!
Yes.
Spangled perch.
Look at the lure, the same size as it. Look at that dog. That's insane. Bro.
What a dog. That's a dog!
Get the dog. Yeah.
Nice.
Bro, I'm taking a photo of that. That's a record for me.
Went it in. Bro. Oh! So is that
Another spangle actually.
Let's go! Let's go! That's bigger than yours. Hold on, can you hold that?
It's made.
Is that? I hope this is filming.
Guys are hell.
Oh! What a beautiful fish.
It might have popped off.
You never know.
It might be tiny.
Yeah. Could be a miniature.
No, he hopped.
Nah, oh, he got off.
That was one though, didn't it? Haven't.
Tom!
Look.
Oh, what is it?
Little spangled.
Nice!
Fucking right. Look at it.
Yeah!
Smacked it.
Tom's on! It's another spangled perch! Ew.
Holy crap, look at that.
Tom's on!
Look at that.
Reckon?
No. That guy just fought hard. No, he's not like this.
Let's see this. Come on, Tom. Here we go, it's a stonker.
That guy fought hard.
Oh, he's off!
See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.